everybody! Welcome to Music Theory class. This is a course for beginners. You can easily grasp the basic steps and read notes to play. What are you waiting for? See what this can do for you. Beginners can easily get into playing instruments. First, you need to learn basic music theory until you can look at sheet music and read simple notes. The organ is perhaps the most useful instrument for visualizing theory. You can easily buy it on e-commerce sites, cheap prices. Let's start. Learn the musical alphabet. The first 7 letters of the alphabet, A, B, C, D, E, F, and G, represent musical notes. These notes repeat in a cyclical pattern, so after G, you go back to 8 and continue. For example, A, B, C, D, F, G, A, B, C, D, F, G, A, B, C, D, F, G. These letters are also known as do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si. Make it easier to understand. Let's look at this picture. This is treble clef. Do is C, re is D, mi is E, fa is F, sol is G, la is A, si is B. The staff comprises 5 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4. How to read notes. We prioritize reading the notes on the lines. This is do. The note on the first line is mi, so it's on the second line. C is on the third line. Re is on the fourth line. Fa is on the fifth line. Let's read again. Do, mi, sol, si, re, fa. The note below the first line is re. The note in the first spaces is fa. La is in the second space. Do is in the third space. Mi is in the fourth space. So is about the fifth line. We read again. Re, fa, la, do, mi. Note duration. The length of time that a note plays. It depends on the type of note. Note types include a whole note, a half note, a quarter note, an eighth note, a 16th note. Why do these notes have such English names? We will understand better when looking at the branches of the notes. The half note equals 1 half. 2 notes equal 1 whole note. The quarter note equals 1 quarter. 4 notes equal 1 whole note. The eighth note equals 1 eighth. 8 notes equal 1 whole note. The 16th note equals 1 16th. 16th notes equal 1 whole note. A whole note has 4 beats, 1, 2, 3, 4, and has a longest note duration. A beat is taken away and left 3 beats when we read the notes. Let's count and clap. Do, 2, 3, 4. Re, 2, 3, 4. Mi, 2, 3, 4. Fa, 2, 3, 4. Sol, 2, 3, 4. La, 2, 3, 4. Si, 2, 3, 4. Do, 2, 3, 4. Keep reading. 2, 3, 4 in silence. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do, A half note has 2 beats 1, 2, and has half the duration of the whole note. Let's count and clap. Do, 2, re, 2, mi, 2, fa, 2, sol, 2, la, 2, si, 2, do, 2. Keep reading. 2 in silence. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. A quarter note has 1 beat. 2 quarter notes equal 1 half note. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. Read again. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. An eighth note has half of the beat. 2 eighth notes equal 1 quarter note. Clap at do, mi, sol, si. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. Repeat again. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. These are also eighth notes written in a different way. Counting beats is the same as above. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. A 16th note equals a quarter of the quarter note. 2 16th notes equal an eighth note. Clap at do, sol, and re. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do, re. Try again. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do, re. These are also 16th notes written in a different way. Counting beats is the same above. Clap at do, sol, and re. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do, re. Try again. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do, re. Let's sing the notes and count the beats after listening to the music. You know what the song title is? This is a very familiar song to everyone. The song answers to the name of Cả nhà thương nhau. Take a quick look if there's anything special. This is the flat. Its place in this position is called C flat note and indicates that all C notes in the staff are C flat notes. Go on. It's a dot. A dot plus an eighth note equals 1 beat. Start counting. Fa, 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 1 re, fa, sol, fa, re, 2. Repeat. Fa, 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 1 re, fa, sol, fa, re, 2. Re, sol, sol, 1 fa, sol, la, do, la, 2. Repeat. Re, sol, sol, 1 fa, sol, la, do, la, 2. Fa, sol, si, 1 sol, si, do, do, 2. Repeat. Fa, sol, si, 1 sol, si, do, do, 2. La, sol, la, do, 1 do, sol, fa, 2. Repeat. La, sol, la, do, 1 do, sol, fa, 2. We don't read the notes anymore. Let's sing the notes with the beats we did. Fa, 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 re, fa, sol, re, sol, sol, fa, sol, la, do, la, fa, sol, si, do, do, la, sol, la, do, sol, fa,